What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the error of loading the ippCV file. So let's get right into this. So this is a Photoshop library that's essentially this error happens. There's a couple of DLL files that's basically missing, right? Hence why this error is happening. All you need to do is download this specific file or whatever DLL error you're getting. You can just Google it as well and download each individual DLLs that are causing this issue. Once you have it downloaded, extract it, and copy pasted all of the DLL files within that basically this link. You go to local disk C, you open up program files or program files 86, whichever one basically has Adobe for you. And in Adobe, there's usually, again, depending on how many you might have, there's usually something called Adobe Photoshop, and you want to have that basically folder open up, the latest version of Adobe that you have. And in there, you want to copy paste those DLL files from here that you extracted into that file, restart your computer, turn the application back on, and you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up, go on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then more tutorials out. Peace.